Last weekend, I went camping with my friends Amelia and Julia. We were on a very important mission.
First ones in line. We are here at Tallulah Gorge State Park Interpretive Center. So they have 100 passes. 100 passes to go to the gorge floor where there is a sliding rock. This has been a long time coming, like 4 years.
Yes.
So the last time we tried to do this, it was raining. And then the next time I was next in line and didn't get a pass. This time we are camping and we are gonna get the pass. Right now we're waiting patiently for the doors to open.
We're probably gonna wait 30 minutes because they open at 8.
Does it sound like the hype for y'all? Oh yeah.
Cheers to the gorge floor.
Now all we needed was some fuel for our hike.
Here's how you survive in the woods.
We ate breakfast and now we're chilling. Everyone's getting ready to go to hike to the gorge floor. How many steps did she say? Like 300 some?
A million.
A million steps. We have to cross, and then we go down.
First river crossing.
Yeah.
Julia's putting on her chocolate. We're getting ready.
Yes. All right, I'm gonna explain with this beautiful background why we need a permit. So they only let 100 people in the gorge floor per day. And I think it's just they want to preserve the integrity of the site and then also keep people safe. And that is why we had to get a permit. Woo! Because they gotta give you a little training to make sure that you actually know what you're doing and you know where to go and you don't get injured.
Nice, Julia.
You're gonna end up in the water. There's the waterfall. Hurricane fall.
So now there's really no marked trail. We just go along the gorge floor and slide on rocks the whole time. To Bridal Veil Falls! There's a storm coming, so we probably need to, and this rocket gets really slippery. Oh my god. Perfect example. people, so we need to get out of here before it starts raining. Although I could do that about 100 more times. The climb begins. Oh my goodness. Whew. Da, 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 da.
So after several failed attempts, we finally hiked the gorge floor.